Why knuckles crack? It's not bones breaking. That satisfying pop when you crack your knuckles. It's your joints throwing a tiny bubble party. Let's pop the science. When you pull or twist a joint, gas bubbles form and burst in the synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil. It's like built-in bubble wrap, minus the packaging. Fun fact, a scientist cracked knuckles on one hand for 60 years and found zero arthritis. The other hand, also fine. Take that, mom's warnings. But here's the kicker. Elephants crack their knuckles too. Yes, elephants. Evolution's ASMR for giants. Comment if you're a crack addict. Follow for more joint cracking truths.